Kitchen sink beef ribs, y'all. Kitchen sink beef ribs. Peel off that layer. Feel like they just started doing that in 2020. Very strange. But peel it back. If it's your first time here, welcome. Like, comment, and share. Turn the notification bell so you'll be notified next time we upload or go live. It's about 6 pounds. 6 pounds of beef ribs. Carter's Spice Blend. Carter's Spice Blend. Kitchen sink. We're going in with honey. We're going in. It's the kitchen sink beef ribs, y'all. Like, comment, and share because they're delicious. Spicy mustard. Rub it in. Rub it in. Flip it over. And rub it down some more. Spicy mustard. Oh, the jar's in the way. Excuse me. Have you hit the notification bell? Have you subscribed yet? Okay, there it is. Thumbs it up. That's the other side. Now, wrap them. Wrap them. Tight. Tight. When I say kitchen sink, that means your favorite accoutrements in your refrigerator. Your honey, your mustard, your Dales, your Worcestershire. Going in with Sazon. When we say Sazon on ribs, that's 5 shakes of any seasoning you're using. 5 shakes. There you go. That's the spice blend. Molasses. Don't forget your molasses. Come on, molasses. Welcome to Carter's Eat. Rub it in. Make some sticky, wicky, ooey, gooey. This is what Papa said. Ooh, these ribs are tender. They're so tender. And they were. Because they were kitchen sink Carter's Eats ribs. Like, comment, share. Have you thumbs it up yet? Rub them down now. Put your knuckle into it even. Both sides, y'all. Don't forget both sides and the tip. That's Dale's seasoning. You know here at Carter's Eat, we're all about Dale's seasoning. Amino acids. Amazing. Low sodium. Come on. Got to massage your meat. These are kitchen sink beef ribs. That means it's got some of everything on it. Yes. Made with love. Rub, rub, rub. And you can't forget about the mustard. Yellow mustard this time. Yellow mustard. Wrap your foil around the ribs tight. We're cooking slow on 250 to 290 for 3 hours. This is a Slay Timber moment. Search it. Search hashtag Slay Timber and see all the wonderful channels that are participating in Slay Timber. Four hours later. Here's your kitchen sink beef ribs. Carter's Eats. Like, comment, and share. We could have added our own barbecue sauce. Not the mood. Eat them just like they are. Makes for good eating at Carter's Eat. We threw down. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to like, thumbs it up, and subscribe. We're on the road to 20K.